Hello everybody, it's Jake Rahman here. I hope you're well. You know Simulation Collective for providing amazing solutions for healthcare simulation. One of our partners, MEDICFX, now has launched Baby SIMira, which is a skills trainer for neonatal life support. Baby SIMira is amazing. She's available now. There are some universities in the UK that have already purchased. But also as well, they do some other unique solutions, such as the pregnancy belly. So the pregnancy belly is available now from us. It's being used up and down the country by various institutions. And if you want to find out more about some of the MEDICFX solutions, you can just go straight to the name by typing in SIMira for the baby, and you can click on Baby SIMira there. And you know what? You can even book a demonstration just by going to the book demonstration button.